Happy Thursday, AP Euro. So again, the Paris Peace Conference happened, and there's a couple of different ideas of how to end this war that are proposed at this conference. So today you're going to be focusing on looking at two of those main plans at this Paris Peace Conference: the Treaty of Versailles and the 14 points from Woodrow Wilson, who's the American president at the time. So from your country's perspective, that same country you looked up last week, the same country you looked up yesterday, what would you choose? Which one would you favor? Would you favor the Treaty of Versailles, or would you favor the 14 points? And then explain why. Now, this is going to be a little bit different, and we haven't done this before, so I'm trusting you to navigate through this and to send me questions if you struggle through it. But I'm creating a Flipgrid assignment for you to create a video reflection on that question. Which one would you prefer, the Treaty of Versailles or the 14 points? So if you go into materials, then go to Unit 9, World War I folder. All the way at the bottom, there should be a Flipgrid assignment. You're going to have to use your school login to get in there. And then there should be only one assignment in there. It should be Treaty of Versailles versus 14 points. Post your response, remember, from the perspective of the country you've been looking up. And then don't forget to also respond to somebody else, politely, of course, and disagree with what they're saying at the Paris Peace Conference. So I know we said last week that we were going to do simulation of this whole Paris Peace Conference, but obviously we can't do that in person. So this is the best we got. This is going to replace that same activity. So spend some time thinking it through, doing a little bit of research about what you think your country would think about these two different plans, and then post your response. I realize some of you don't like recording yourselves or putting your picture online. That's fine. You can cover up the camera if you want to and just record your voice. You could always turn the camera towards the ceiling or to a wall, whatever it is. And then don't forget to respond to somebody else. Okay? I hope you have fun with it. And then Friday, we're going to start talking about that next unit. I know originally we said we're not going to get into Chapter 26 too much in class, but now we have a little bit of time. So you're going to see that our introduction to the next chapter, Chapter 26, The Age of Anxiety, will come on Friday. Next week, Monday, we'll review very quickly as a group Chapter 25, and then on next week, Tuesday, I'll post the formative quiz for you. Okay? So hopefully everything's going well for you and you're having a good Thursday. Notice I'm not wearing a tie today, so I will post a question about that, a polling question. I'm shocked at how many of you wanted me to have a mustache. I do come from a long line of mustaches, so right now it's not winning, but it's coming in a close second. Right now it's full facial hair is coming back. So we'll see how it turns out today. You'll see it on my face who wins or who loses, depending on your perspective. Of course, let me know if you have any questions. I'm going to try to set up a live meeting, an optional meeting, obviously, on Google Hangouts Meet. So I'll post information about that maybe tomorrow or Friday, okay? I hope everything's going well. Keep doing your work.